everyone, welcome to my channel Shimmery Vlogs, and today I'm gonna show you a DIY facial which will be very useful for your skin and it will be very helpful as well. And we are gonna prepare scrub, cleanser and face pack from homely ingredients which are easily available. Okay, and in this COVID situations we are not going anywhere, any parlors or anywhere else, so it will be very useful for us. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you can apply it and after effects of this facial. Okay, so let's prepare. Okay, let's start it. Okay, so for cleanser you will need, we will need a little amount of milk and a little bit of salt. We will mix it together and then we will apply. So now I'm gonna apply this cleanser which we have just prepared. Okay. Right now I'm using a brush and keep the vessel like this, so you will not make your clothes dirty. Okay, and now I'm using my hands to rub the face. Also, please okay, so I have washed my face after the cleanser. And now I am preparing the scrub. Sugar, a little amount of honey, this honey, okay, and I am adding in some glycerin into it. Okay, little bit of glycerin. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix it and apply it as a scrub. Okay, so now we will apply scrub. Okay, so this is the scrub. It is just honey, sugar and glycerin, nothing else. Always rub the scrub gently because every scrub has some granules in it and it may cause your skin, it may hurt your skin. So always rub any scrub very gently. Okay, and rub in your nose area as well. So we have applied the scrub. Okay, just rub it gently, not too much, just gently rub it for some time. You will feel your skin is feeling smooth. Okay, now we will wash it. Okay, so I have a wet cloth with me here. See, okay, now is the time to apply face pack. But if you want, you can take steam as well after the scrub, but I am applying face pack. Okay, so we will make face pack now. Now for preparing the face pack, we will need a little bit of gram flour, some yogurt and turmeric. I'm using normal turmeric here. You can also use that wild turmeric if you have kasturi haldi, which we say kasturi haldi. Okay, so now we will mix it together and apply it. Okay, last step is ready now. So now we have mixed it. So now I'm gonna apply the face pack which we have prepared just now. Okay, so let's apply. Always apply your face pack in upwards direction. Okay, now we gonna wait for around 10-15 minutes. Okay, so now it is ready. So I have applied the face pack evenly and it is around 5 minutes. Okay, I will wait for another 10 minutes and then I'll wash it. Okay. Okay guys, so now I have washed my face and untied my hair as well. Now the facial is done and you can clearly see my skin. It is glowing like anything. It is glowing and my skin is feeling very fresh. I'm feeling very refreshed right now, and seriously you should try this. Okay, and if you like anything in this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel as well, so whenever I put any new video on YouTube you will get the notification of it, and I hope it will be helpful for you as well. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We will meet in my next video. Okay, bye, take care, thank you so much for watching. Ta-da.